Good morning. Today we are going to see the measurement of ionic radius. X-ray analysis is used to measure the internuclear distance between two ions in an ionic compound. These values are very small and are generally expressed in nanometers. See, 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter, or 1 nanometer is equal to 10 angstrom unit, or 1 angstrom unit is equal to 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. It is assumed that in the ionic crystal, cation and anions are in contact with each other, and the internuclear distance d between the two adjacent ions is equal to the sum of radii of these ions. See in the figure, smaller is the cation, larger is the anion, and distance between these two is the d. It is d is nothing but the radius of cation plus radius of anion, that is Rc plus Ra minus, where Rc plus is the radius of the cation and Ra minus is the radius of anion. But these actual internuclear distances are of no use in knowing the ionic radius of each ion. For example, the distance between the nuclei of Na and F ions is found from X-ray studies of NaF crystal to be 2.312 angstrom unit. Thus, Rna plus Rf minus is equal to 2.31 angstrom unit. Unless we know the ionic radius of either Na plus or F minus, we cannot calculate the ionic radius of the other ion. Many methods have been suggested, but Pauling's method has been most widely used to find the ionic radius. So we are going to see Pauling's univalent radii. Pauling's first determine the ionic radii of univalent ions such that the ions of alkali metals and halogens. He selected 4 ionic compounds, that is NaF, KCl, RBBr and CSI. In each compound, the cation and anions are isoelectronic, that is they have the same number of electrons. For example, in NaF, both Na plus and F minus ions have 10 electrons each and have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 configuration, that is neon configuration. He selected these 4 crystals for study because first, they have almost the same radius ratio, that is Rc upon Ra is equal to 0.75. Second, their bonds have almost equal ionic character. Third, the anion and cations are isoelectronic. And fourth, all they have NaCl structure. Exception is that of CSI. It has CsCl structure. Pauling made two assumptions for the calculation of ionic radii. First, the measured internuclear distance d is equal to Rc plus Ra. And second, the ratio of Rc upon Ra should be equal to inverse ratio of the effective nuclear charge felt by the ions, that is Rc upon Ra is equal to Z effective of Ra upon Z effective of Rc. The effective nuclear charge obtained by subtracting a screening constant from the actual nuclear charge. Thus, Z effective actual nuclear charge minus screening constant. Screening constant for the neon configuration is calculated from the Slater rule. The value of this Slater rules for neon configuration to be 4.15. We can calculate effective nuclear charge as for Na plus 11 minus 4.15 is equal to 6.85. For F minus 9 minus 4.15 is equal to 4.85. Thus, according to Pauling's assumption, we can write Rna plus upon Rf minus is equal to 4.85 upon 6.85 is equal to 0.71. The measured interionic distance in NaF is 2.31 angstrom unit. We have Rna plus Rf minus is equal to 2.31. On solving the equation, we get Rna plus is equal to 0.71 into Rf minus. By substituting the value of Rna plus in the equation, we have 0.71 into Rf minus plus Rf minus is equal to 2.31. By solving this, we have the common Rf minus in bracket 0.71 plus 1 is equal to 2.31. That is 0.71 Rf minus is equal to 2.31. Thus, Rf minus is equal to 2.31 upon 1.71 is equal to 1.35 angstrom unit. Hence, Rna plus is equal to 2.31 minus 1.35 is equal to 0.96 angstrom unit. Thus, Rna is equal to 0.96 angstrom unit and Rf minus is equal to 1.35 angstrom unit. These are the Pauling's univalent radii calculate from the radius ratio. Similar procedure is used to calculate univalent radii of some common cations and anions. Some values are given in the below table. It should be noted that the ionic radius of cation is always smaller than that of parent atom, whereas The ionic radius of the anion is always greater than that of parent atom. See in this table the ionic radii of values in angstrom unit. See the ion and its radius. Li plus 0.60 angstrom unit, Na plus 0.96 angstrom unit, Cs plus 1.69, F minus 1.35 angstrom unit, Cl minus 1.85 angstrom unit, I minus 2.16 angstrom unit, Cu 1 plus 0.96 angstrom unit, Az plus 1.26 angstrom unit, Au plus 1.36 angstrom unit. Thus we have these values of ionic radii for that ions. The ions are formed by the loss or gain of electrons. The positively charged ion formed by the loss of electrons and cannot have the same size as the neutral atom from which it is formed. Cation is smaller than their parent atoms. This is because the net excess of nuclear charge on cation pulls the electron cloud inwards and the size contracts the size of ion. For example, Na plus is smaller in size than Na atom. See, Na atom has 11 protons and 11 electrons, but Na plus have 11 protons and 10 electrons. The Na plus ion possesses one net excess positive charge than the sodium atom. The negatively charged ion is formed by the gain of electrons and possesses larger size than that of parent atom. This is because the net excess of negative charge on anion causes the electron cloud to expand. Hence, anions are larger than their parent atoms. Thus, for example, chlorine atom and chloride ion Cl minus. Chlorine have 17 protons and 17 electrons, while Cl minus have 17 protons and 18 electrons. The chloride ion possesses one net excess negative charge than the chlorine atom. The anions are always larger than the cation due to the expansion of the electron cloud. Calculation of univalent radius of oxide ion, oxygen twice minus. Up till now we see the univalent ion. Now we are going to see the oxide ion which having the 2 minus negative charge. The electron configuration of oxygen atom is 1s, 2, 2s2 and 2p4. That is total 8 electrons. When it gains 2 electrons, O minus minus, oxide ion is formed. Thus O twice minus ion is isoelectronic with neon that is 10 electrons. Its univalent radius can be calculated as follows. The screening constant for O twice minus ion is 4.15. So Z effective for oxide ion will be 8 minus 4.15 is equal to 3.85. Pauling suggested another method of calculating the ionic radius and stated that the size of the ion is inversely proportional to the effective nuclear charge felt on its outermost electron. That is, R ion is inversely proportional to Z effective, or R ion is equal to Cn upon Z effective. Thus, the expression for radii of a sequence of isoelectronic ion is R ion is equal to Cn upon Z minus sigma delta, where Cn is a proportionality constant. It depends upon the principal quantum number and n of the valence electron. The effective nuclear charge Z effective is equal to the actual nuclear charge Z minus the screening constant delta sigma of the electron. That is, Z is equal to Z minus sigma. For example, for oxide ion, Ro minus minus is equal to Cn upon Z minus sigma is equal to, delta is equal to 6.41 upon 8 minus 4.5 is equal to 1.83. The value of Cn is, and it for neon configuration is same for isoelectronic ions, is 6.41. The value of ionic radii calculated in this way are also known as the univalent radii. If the value of Cn is known, then it is easy to calculate the ionic radius of any other isoelectronic ion, for example Ca2 plus, scandium 3 plus, magnesium 2 plus, etc.